Hondo's looking for pilots, gunners, and engineers. Come on in. Hondo's looking for pilots, gunners, and engineers, folks.
Milk. This looks like
Fuel free burner! On! We have other engines, right? Is you the only one left in the entire building, yes? Did Hondo lose a bet? And now he has to try to bring this piece of junk back to life?
No, it's not. Why would they just be jumping their mom? I just. No, that's real. I did animatronic.
This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Well, no, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, you will split 70-25 minus your 10% of 25.
Fair deal?
Just split up 5 and 5. What do you
Where's that?
Engineer Gunner. Okay, baby. Right here. You want to empty and then check the back.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety's a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. All right, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar.
No, you're in it.
That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally. Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. All right. Tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of Minox? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Ohnaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, held to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day?
She took it.
Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
Pilots up front, gunners in the middle, engineers in the back. Go ahead and take your seat and buckle up, please. There's the flashing light, baby.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing button. We'd better be faster when we get to the wheel. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Watch it! Watch it!
There is the train.
It's It's not recording!
Yes, keep shooting! Lock on to us! Activated action! There it is! After that blade! Flight engineer! Fire the hole! Excellent! Now gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Yes, pilot, brakes!
Where the brakes?
That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, gravity go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of
Wait! Don't fire!
Pilots,
Fire now!
behind the train. Get behind the train.
Get me on the train.
Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in.
Mom, get the harpoon, get the
Shoot the
harpoon.
train.
Get it, Reed!
So close. Punch. Oh, that's the thing. Flames are getting too hot. Get out of here.
I can't do anything, Dad.
Distraction.
No,
Fire the missiles at the train. The star destroyer is collapsing.
Oh, we gotta get out of here.
Pilot, hit the boosters. Boost.
What's up?
We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get up. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Who is right? If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be a mark. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Guys, that was fun. First order.
Do we go to the elevator?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's probably bad thing.
Review.
Locked it.
Review it.
I think I got this side. Hey guys, come here, take a